Hello and welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to set out of office in Outlook mobile app. So let's get started. First of all, open Outlook application on your mobile phone. After that, here on the top right corner, tap on your profile and at the bottom left corner, tap on this setting. Here you will find all the emails of the Outlook. So select the email of which you want to set out of office. After that, here in account setting, you will find the option of automatic replies. So tap on it. Here you have to enable automatic replies. So turn it on and write here out of office. Here you can set a time period as well when you want to send the replies, or you can simply set it for everyone automatic replies. So here you have to make sure that you tap on this tick and it's set. So here we are done. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.